Let's get ready together and do some makeup. Today I want to do a Scandi Girl makeup look, but more for everyday. I already filmed one. It's like a soft glam look, but I also want to do something for like everyday. And I really love the Scandi Girl concept, especially with the bronziness and pink blush. I want to do that so it's wearable for like school, college and work. Now I'm gonna go in with the SUPERGOOP Glow Screen. This is SPF 30 and also it has like a glow, obviously. And the one I've got is in the shade Original. I think I put a little bit too much. Yeah. Oh my god, I put way too much. Well, I'm gonna see how this goes. Maybe I'm just gonna put it on my chest as well. Okay, I think for my face I'm okay, so I'm gonna put the remaining on my chest. So I'm gonna have a glowy chest today. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with something very lightweight, and this is the KYLIE Cosmetics Skin Tint in the shade 4.5 WM. Gonna put a little bit on my hand, work the product into my brush. Look at how beautiful. I need a little bit more for the other side of my face. I just remember that I have to still do my brows. I really hate when I forget doing my brows because now I have so much product on my brows as well, so I will have to clean it up before I go in with brow gel. That's why I prefer to do it before any makeup, but I always forget. I feel like we are glowing and looking gorgeous already. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean my brows. Now for brow gel, as always, Rare Beauty. Okay, I'm obsessed with my skin right now, and I feel like this is gonna be my new makeup routine for my base because it's just looking so good. And I like to switch things up. Like if you look at my videos, it's never exactly the same product, so I like to play around with makeup and see what works. I am definitely a believer that not just one thing works, so you can always try and mix up products and see what you love. And of course you can keep it as a routine, but I don't know, I like to switch up things so much that sometimes I feel like I don't really have a routine, and it's more about the products, what they do for your skin or how they look like. So today is definitely one of those days that I will remember that these two go really well together. As you can see, I'm obsessed. Even after blending out my contour, it just looks so good, and you can still see how glowy this is. Like I haven't been using this enough, so this is gonna be more often in my videos for sure because this is gorgeous. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the SAIE Dewy blushes. You can see the difference. This one is cool toned and this is definitely warmer. This one is in the shade Baby and this is in the shade Sweetie. For today, I'm gonna go in with Sweetie because I feel like it's more wearable for every day. So I'm just gonna put that on. A little bit on my nose. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted from this blush. Look at how pretty. Also, you guys, I put the camera on a different angle. I kind of prefer it because I feel like I can be more in front of the camera, closer to the mic and everything. So let me know if you think this angle is okay, or if you prefer the angle from all my other videos. Now for concealer, this is my everyday concealer that I swear by. It's just so good. And this is what I need. Before I blend that out, just gonna spray some setting spray. You can see how easy that blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the SAIE powder blush. This one is in the shade Mia. And it's so beautiful paired with Sweetie that I just used. So it's like a perfect blush combo. And with whatever is left, I just like to go on my forehead and my eyes. Next, just a tiny bit of powder bronzer as well. A little bit on the eyes. This looks so good already. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna do mascara. I want really long lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Sky High mascara. This is my favorite drugstore mascara, and also I love the L'Oreal Telescope mascara. I'm actually curious to know what your favorite drugstore mascara is, so let me know in the comments because I do want to try out new mascaras. Okay, I'm doing 2 coats as always. I feel like this is enough. I'm not gonna do my bottom lashes for today because I want to keep it simple. Okay, so for lip combo, I'm first gonna do the Huda Beauty lip contour. Next, I'm gonna do the RHODE lip liner. I'm just gonna go over the lip contour, darken it up a little bit. This looks so good. Now for lip gloss, I wasn't sure. I have those 3 to choose from. I'm thinking to go with the NARS. Yeah, I'm gonna go with NARS Turkish Delight. Oh, this is so pretty. So creamy, so soft, and so pretty. I almost forgot to set my under eyes. When I do my blush really higher up, it kind of also sets my under eyes, but for today I just want to make sure that it's all good to go. I'm gonna do a really tiny bit. Putting it where I need it, so just under my eyes. Gonna leave the rest glowy and natural. And that's it for this makeup look. I am obsessed, especially with the base. Those two products, try them out. If you don't own them, it's perfectly fine. I think you can just mix anything that you have that is glowy together with any skin tint that you own and mix them together. It looks so natural, it looks like skin, and I'm obsessed. So I really hope you can try this out as well with all the makeup that you already have in your makeup bag. I always encourage you to use whatever you have. Never feel like you have to buy everything that you see anyone else is using online. It's all about the results, and I'm sure you can recreate this with anything that you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.